welcome. How are you? I hope you are well. Can you imagine being a butterfly with rainbow-colored wings? We will do this now. A butterfly with colorful wings. If you want to do it too, watch until the end to see how we color it. I know you love butterflies, but many of you don't know that butterflies taste with their feet. Yes, that's right. Butterflies taste flowers with the feeler hairs on their feet. This is one of their most interesting features. Additionally, butterflies do not live 24 hours as is thought. Generally, butterflies can survive for a few weeks. So when you see a beautiful butterfly, you don't have to worry about it dying soon.
Yes!
I will give more information at the end of the video when the coloring is finished. I'm sure you will be very surprised. If you had a butterfly, what color would you like it to be? I definitely wish it was rainbow colored. I love this song. We'll start painting soon. It's almost there. Yes, we are starting to paint. It's beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely. I give you the last interesting information I told you. When butterflies see you, if they like you, they will make gestures by bringing their wings closer together. This is another unknown feature of them. The rest of the butterfly will come in the second video. You can subscribe to see.